We've just made some updates to our TrendChannel indicator. Let's take that out. TrendChannel. Right. Originally, we have this alert here. It's been renamed. This was called R break, as in range break. We've called it Cloud Break, and it's numbered 2, Cloud Break 2. This is generally going to be the main signal, or when the condition is right, this is our signal to take the trade. Some of our members have been wanting the original. We had these other signals on here previously, and it gave us the first breakout. This is delayed. This is the second breakout. So let me just show you that. We're going to bring on now Cloud Break 1. They're the green ones, and there's the red ones. Go OK. So we've deliberately left a label off these. Right, but we know that it's the Cloud Break 1. This one here is really our key signal for our trades. This one is going to give you the break into the cloud. So we're trading under the cloud. When it breaks into the cloud here, there's a shift in the trend. All right, so if you see this signal on the 4-hour chart and the condition is right on the lower time frame, then that could be an entry. So we always want to know when it breaks in or out of the cloud. See here, for example, this is a break out of the cloud. And if the lower time frame gives us the Cloud Break 2 signal, say here, then we take it. So we want to know when this breaks in or out of the cloud. All it is a break of the previous range, or a shift, I should say, in trend. See how it's broken above our midline? And here, right, it's the break above. So it's a breakout. This signal, it's this break here. Right, so now you've got the break in and out of the cloud, as well as our trade signals. And you can choose to leave them on or take them out. I'm going to be using these on the 1-minute chart when we trade our London Open strategy. Notice this breakout here, that the one that's labeled, only occurs generally at the beginning of a trend, and you don't see it firing after that. You see these guys, and these will tell you when there's like a stop run, you know, when it's wicking up and down into liquidity. It'll give you that information. There's our breakout signal level 2 here, and you only see it at the top of the trend. And then you've got your other range breakout signals going off. You can set an alarm for this, or an alert. So click on the 3 dots, add the alert, and we've now got Cloud Break 1 and Cloud Break 2. Cloud Break 2 is generally our trade signal. Cloud Break 1 is the breakout. You might need to go through and delete your existing alerts as we've renamed it and reintroduce them. I'll do another video on the alerts because we've got a couple of strategies and there's a fairly specific way that we're going to use these alerts depending on the kind of trade we want to take. Okay, so that's the update on the TrendChannel. Now you might need to click here to remove it from your indicator so that you can then reintroduce the indicator and get the update. Okay guys, if you haven't already, join Discord. We've got a Discord group, it's free to join. The link is below. If you want access to the indicators and our advanced trading strategies, VIP access, it's incredibly affordable. I'm happy to share my success. I don't want to give it away for nothing, and a little bit back every month keeps me happy. Okay guys, so with that, safe trading. See you in the next video.